Figma versus Adobe Photoshop. Which is better? Primarly Use, Figma, design and prototyping, Adobe Photoshop, photo editing, graphic design, digital art. Collaboration. Figma, real-time collaboration, multiple users can work simultaneously. Adobe Photoshop, single art design tool, collaboration through file sharing. Platform compatibility. Figma, web-based, works on any OS, Windows, macOS, Linux. Adobe Photoshop, desktop application for Windows and macOS. Vector editing. Figma, yes, robust vector editing capabilities. Adobe Photoshop, limited vector editing capabilities. Prototyping. Figma, yes, interactive prototypes. Adobe Photoshop, no, primarily focused on static designs. UI components. Figma, components and design systems support. Adobe Photoshop, limited compared to Figma. Export options. Figma, various export options, assets, codes, and specs. Adobe Photoshop, extensive support options for various file formats. Plugins and integrations. Figma, extensive plugins and integrations. Adobe Photoshop, plugin support for extended functionality. Responsive design. Figma, auto layout for responsive designs. Adobe Photoshop, limited compared to Figma. Team collaboration. Figma, real-time collaboration, design, systems, and components. Adobe Photoshop, collaboration features, sharing design files. Subscription model. Figma, freemium model with free and paid plans. Adobe Photoshop, subscription-based pricing with a free trial. Learning curve. Figma, user-friendly, collaborative features, may require a learning curve. Adobe Photoshop, moderate to steep learning curve. Offline access. Figma, requires an internet connection for real-time collaboration. Adobe Photoshop, works offline except for collaborative features.